Hey there, future crypto millionaires, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not yet part of our thriving community of successful traders, hit that subscribe button now. You don't want to miss any of our powerful content that could be your ticket to financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving deep into an absolutely electrifying trading strategy that's been making waves in the world of crypto trading. This isn't just a strategy, it's the strategy. Engineered for high accuracy specifically for Bitcoin, it's been outperforming everything else we've seen so far. Imagine generating passive income, round the clock, without lifting a finger. Picture this strategy automated into a trading bot, tirelessly earning for you while you sleep, eat, and live your life to the fullest. And we're not talking chump change here, folks. We're talking returns that can exceed 200% in an incredibly short span of time. You heard it right, 200% ROI. But as always, don't just take our word for it. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how it works, give you a step-by-step guide to implementing it, and share some of our best tips to maximize your returns. So, strap yourself in and get ready to dive into the world of high-profit automated Bitcoin trading. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. The trading strategy we're discussing includes 4 TradingView indicators: Supertrend, Laguerre, RSI, EMA, and high-low volume. Each of these indicators plays a very important role in spotting the best opportunities to buy or sell a security. The Supertrend indicator, as its name suggests, is all about identifying the trend of a market. It's like a compass for traders, helping them understand which way the market winds are blowing. Think of the Supertrend indicator as a line that moves with the price. This line changes color based on the direction of the trend. When the market is bullish, or prices are expected to increase, the Supertrend line is typically green. Conversely, when the market is bearish, or prices are expected to decrease, the line is typically red. The exciting part comes when the line changes color. This usually signifies that the trend may be about to change. If the line switches from red to green, it might be a signal that the bulls are taking over, and it could be a good time to buy. If the line switches from green to red, it might mean that the bears are in charge, and it could be a good time to sell. In simpler terms, the Supertrend indicator is like a traffic light for traders. It uses color signals to tell traders when it might be safe to go, and when it could be better to stop and wait. We tried to combine the Supertrend indicator with many other tools, but the way it works with Laguerre RSI is something else. Here's why. The Laguerre Relative Strength Index is an adaptation of the classic RSI indicator. It is particularly sensitive in its ability to identify potential tops and bottoms. In other words, it's excellent at signaling overbought and oversold conditions. Overbought conditions are usually seen when the Laguerre RSI is above a certain high threshold, like 80, suggesting a potential price pullback. Oversold conditions are spotted when it falls below a certain low threshold, like 20, indicating a potential price bounce back. By using the Supertrend to identify the trend direction and the Laguerre RSI to find overbought and oversold conditions, you can get a well-rounded view of the market. For example, in a strong uptrend, signaled by Supertrend, an oversold condition on the Laguerre RSI could be an excellent opportunity to buy, anticipating a continuation of the uptrend after a brief price dip. Similarly, in a strong downtrend, an overbought condition could be a signal to sell or short, predicting a continuation of the downtrend after a temporary price rise. By providing trend confirmation and pinpointing potential reversal zones, the blend of Laguerre RSI and Supertrend can significantly enhance trading accuracy and effectiveness, particularly in volatile markets. However, a strategy like this wouldn't be complete without a volume indicator and a moving average. We added 50 EMA as a trend filter to eliminate fake signals issued by Supertrend. For a volume indicator, we implemented high-low volume by Quant Nomad. This indicator highlights areas where volume in the market is increased by coloring the histogram in green. When the volume is neutral, the bars are gray, and when low, red. Buying or selling is allowed only at high volumes. Buy conditions with this strategy look like this. First, the Supertrend prints a buy label. Second, the price is closed above the EMA. Third, the Laguerre RSI is oversold. And lastly, the volume bar is green. Sell conditions are as follows. First, the Supertrend gives a sell signal. Second, the price is closed below the EMA. Third, the Laguerre RSI is overbought. And finally, the volume bar is green. We asked PionexGPT to automate this trading strategy for us by providing the scripts for each indicator and explaining the trading rules. PionexGPT created a full trading strategy in PineScript with smart money management, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Stick around till the end of the video because we will show you how to fully automate this trading strategy into a bot, so you can start making money without spending hours monitoring the charts. But first, let's take a look at the backtest results to make sure the strategy is profitable in the long run. We took the script from PionexGPT and pasted it into Pine Editor. Surprisingly, the results were better than we expected. The strategy produced 86 signals with a winning ratio of over 67% in the 5 minutes time frame. This is without optimization. The profit we could have made was nearly 200%. This is in a span of 5 days. That's around $2,000 profit with a $1,000 investment in just a week. The maximum drawdown is only 25%, which is totally fine. In the 3-minute time frame, the results are also amazing. 120% profit made in a couple of days, with a win ratio of 66%. In the 1-minute time frame, the win ratio has dropped to 57%, but the net profit is 37% in just 1 day. The trading strategy is highly customizable. You can change the Laguerre RSI parameters, the supertrend period, the stop loss, and take profit distance. You can also make further adjustments by accessing the strategy's code and changing the EMA length, the overbought and oversold levels, etc. We will leave a link to this strategy in the video description. Be sure to add it to your favorites. This way you'll be able to find it in the search and add it to your chart. Now let's automate this script with Pionex and start earning passive income. First, register on Pionex.com, a cryptocurrency exchange with built-in trading bots. You can access 16 unique trading bots with no additional fee. These bots allow you to automate your investing strategy, so you don't need to constantly monitor the market. Pionex offers loads of bonuses for new users. For example, if you deposit 500 USDT or more, you can get up to 50 USDT reward, which is really cool. Once you've created an account and deposited funds, access the Trade menu and click on Spot Bot. Scroll all the way down and click on Create a Signal Bot. The next step is to add a TradingView custom signal. Complete all the steps until the last. Now copy the webhook URL link, head over to TradingView, click on the Add Alert button, and go to Notifications. Paste the webhook URL you copied from Pionex. This is an essential step to connect your strategy on TradingView with Pionex. Now copy the message and paste it into this window. Once you're done, click Create an Alert. Go back to Pionex and finish the setup by selecting the trading instrument, leverage, and investment. Create the bot and watch it do all the work for you. By the way, on the PionexGPT marketplace, you can find many automated free trading bots that produce very high returns on investment. Just take a look at this bot created by IntelliBot. It has an ROI of over 1,000%. You can try it absolutely free. We will leave a link to Pionex in the description below. Sign up today and enjoy the benefits of automated trading.